My name is Dr. Datta. I'm from India and I am the head of pediatrics in the Milton Cato Memorial Hospital. Right now, there is a neurosurgical mission being conducted here, and it's under the leadership of the World Pediatric Project. I have been working along these consultants who come to us from the World Pediatric Project since the last 15 years. My role is basically to prepare the clinic along with the other members of the team, screen all the patients. We don't want the consultants coming and being burdened by, let's do the imaging now, let's do some labs now. So I do all of that before. And then I'm part of the post-operative care team as well, making sure these patients go home, discharged, feeling well, and then letting the pediatricians and the other islands know what went wrong with their patients and how to do the follow-ups, etc. Every mission is different, and this deals with a lot of neurosurgical issues. We deal with conditions like hydrocephalus, we deal with conditions like spina bifida, and children typically born with these conditions, they are developmentally delayed, and that's very difficult. And sometimes getting them through the surgery also is difficult. So sometimes parents, they need to see that change, and they need to ask us, supposing you do this surgery, will my baby be able to talk and walk? And a lot of time that's not the answer, and that can be quite heartbreaking at times because they come here to look for that miracle. So WPP is important because they bring to us a lot of expertise which may not be there. And even if it's there, I mean, we have expertise. For instance, we have neurosurgeons, but they may not be typically pediatric neurosurgeons. So all the expertise that WPP gives us is all geared towards children and pediatrics. And, the numbers that we see in this mission are phenomenal. And then there's also the added bonus that if you cannot operate on a child and you cannot look after the child, then these children might travel to the United States to look for that tertiary care, which is under the aegis of WPP as well. So that's huge. It's major.